$30,000, it's greatest result, you know. I love this result and I think that you would like to get it too. You just need to follow my... Hi everyone, I'm very happy to see you again on my channel, and you know what, we're going to trade again, yes, with my favorite strategy. And you know, my favorite strategy is the resistance and support levels, and it's the bestest, you know. I love it absolutely, and I would like you to understand, so watch this video to the end, put your like, write a comment, and come to my private chat. You just need to come to my Telegram, write me the code word private. You can find my Telegram in the description under this video. There is a link. You just need to click it and you will get into my dream team right now. So do not hesitate and put your like, subscribe to the channel, and we are starting. So hi everyone, today we will be trading on Pocket Option platform, and my deposit is $7,000 and I will try to overclock it up to $30,000. So today as usual I will be working on my favorite working strategy. It's the resistance and support levels, and also uptrends and downtrends. Also I will be entering the trade with $2,000, and in the case of failures we will always have chance to earn back. So guys, let's start. So the first situation where we are going to trade, it's the downtrend. Also we can see the support level. The price is moving quite confidently and approaching our level. In this situation you can see that to the support level there is still a place. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think the downward movement, you know, will be continuing and we will have our profit. So it's excellent guys, the price continued, it's moving down and this level has been broken through, and here we are getting our profit. In 2 minutes were quite enough, so it's a very good start. Let's continue. So guys, here we also can see the downtrend. The price is moving in quite a wavy way and going down. Also at this moment, after the rollback up, the price is beginning to fall down. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. Also the support level is much lower and I think the price will continue moving to this level. So guys, let's wait. So guys, it's excellent, the downtrend continued and here we are getting the brilliant profit, and 2 minutes were enough here. So let's continue and consider one more situation. So guys, here we can see the resistance level. Also we see the price is impossibly approaching our level, has already approached, and even there was a false breakout. So after that the price rolled down a little and now it's again approaching our level, and you can see, you know, sticking to the level. So at this situation we need to open a trade with up for 2 minutes. I think that very soon this level will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent, the price broke through this level and then went up, and here we are getting very good profit, and 2 minutes were enough here. So let's open the next trade right here, because in most cases after the impulsive breakout there is a pullback down. So let's do it for 1 minute. I think in this 1 minute there will be a pullback again, so let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent, there was the brilliant pullback down and here we're getting the brilliant profit, and 1 minute was enough here. So everything is going well, let's continue. So here we can see the support level. Also we can see that at this moment the price is going down very confidently. Also there was a small flat, after that the movement down continued. At this moment the price is at the inner support level. I think that very soon the price will continue moving to the main support level. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with the reserve with down, expecting a small flat or maybe a pullback up, and after that the downward movement will continue, so we need to check it. Well guys, it's not bad. At the inner support level there was a small flat, but anyway we have closed out trade in the profits and 3 minutes were enough here, so I want to continue. So here we can see the resistance level. Also we can see the price approach this level with very good green candlestick. At this moment we can see at the level there is a small attenuation, a small pullback. So at this situation let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 2 minutes. I think that very soon this level will be broken through, because there is the sticking to the level and it means something. So let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small pullback down, the upward movement continued and we are getting our profit. The breakthrough of the level we haven't waited because it's happening right now after the closing of our trade. But anyway, our technical analysis was right and this level has been broken through. So it's everything okay. Let's continue and consider one more situation. So guys, here we can see there was a very good upward movement. Also we can see the resistance level. Also there is the sticking to the level and the price is beginning to break through this level. So let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 1 minute. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up and this time will be quite enough here. So let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small flat, the price broke through this level and then went up higher, and here we are getting very confident profit and 1 minute was enough here. So we also can see that after the breakthrough of the level there is a small attenuation. So let's open the next trade right here. Let's do it for 1 minute at the pullback after the breakthrough. Also we can see that there will be the pullback due to the red candlestick that showed up after the green candlestick with the wick up. So let's open a trade and I think we will get a small pullback at least. Let's check it. It's excellent. The impulse down happened and here we had time and close out trade in the profit. Everything is going well. We don't have any failures, so let's keep on our trading. So guys, here we can see the resistance level. Let's rewind the chart to the beginning and we can see the very good upward movement. The price is confidently approaching this level, so let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. I think this upward movement will continue and the price will reach the resistance level, so let's check it. So guys, the price slowed down a little bit before the level and then there is a pullback showing up. But anyway, we have closed our trades in the profit and at this moment we can see there was a small pullback down. But the price is not rolling down very far and continue to move. So let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. Also expecting a small flat or maybe a rollback down. After that the trend movement will continue. I mean up trend movement. So let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. There was a small flat and we have closed out trade in the profits. We had time. At this moment you can see they're sticking to the level. Obviously the price is not rolling down and continue to move up. I think that this upward movement will continue, so let's open a trade right here with up for 3 minutes. I'm sure the price will continue moving to this level and maybe this level will be broken through, so let's check and wait for the end of our trades. Well guys, it's excellent. We have waited and this level has been broken through and we are getting very brilliant profit and 3 minutes were enough here. So our deposit is $25,000 and it means that we can keep on our trading and open the next trade that we will open on this currency pair. Because after the impulsive upward movement and the breakthrough of the level, there is a small attenuation and the red candlestick is showing up. At this situation, let's open a trade with down. Also, as in most cases after the breakthrough and impulsive the movement up, there is a pullback down and I think 1 minute will be enough here. So let's guys check it. It's excellent guys. So after the breakthrough of the level there was a pullback down really, and here we're getting very good profit and 1 minute was enough here, so let's keep on our trading and open the last trade. So guys, the next trade I decided to open here, and here you can see the resistance level. Also you can see that there was a false breakout in this place. After that the price kind of went down and now it's sticking to the level. So I think in this situation there will be the complete full breakthrough of the level and the price will go higher. Let's open a trade for 3 minutes with the up, expecting maybe a small flat and after that this level will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, I love it. This level has been broken through completely. The price is moving quite impulsively and here we are getting brilliant super profit and this time was enough here. So now our deposit $30,000, and it means that I have completed my goal for today. As usual, we can complete our trading. So no, all the situations on the market were profitable. Our result is brilliant. So I hope that you liked it too. $30,000, it's greatest result, you know. I love this result, and I think that you would like to get it too. You just need to follow my favorite technique, my favorite strategy. You know what is my favorite strategy? Yes, it's support and resistance levels. It's the best. It's super lit. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support, for putting this like, yes, for subscribing to my channel. Yes, I'm very happy to get it from you. So write your questions, write your comments, write anything you would like to know. If you want to ask me anything, write it too, and do not hesitate and come to my private chat. Do it right now, to my dream team. I'm searching for you, for my best traders ever. So guys, thank you so much. See you next time.